Hey, folks, my name is Gareth Soloway from InTheMoneyStocks.com and VerifiedInvestingCrypto.com, and this is Trader Talk. So what I want to talk to you guys about today is stocks that are selling off as nervousness around the Federal Reserve continues to increase. And remember, the Fed this Wednesday is going to be doing most likely a 0.75 basis point hike. All right, so in this lieu of kind of the craziness, the key is starting to look at good quality stocks, all right? Good quality stocks that are way, way off of their highs, tracing into technical levels. So what we're going to do here is we're going to look at the chart of Meta. Now, Meta, again, as we know, is a tremendously well-off company. It's doing great, but it's still way off of the highs. Now, remember, when markets sell off, this breeds opportunity, right? So again, when markets are selling off, I love it. As an investor, as a trader, that's where opportunity arises. I don't like when charts go up like this on Meta when it was trading north of 300 because I'm not paying up. I'm not going to pay up in value for a company that, again, has already run up significantly. I want it on sale. Think of the analogy of going to the mall. You don't go to the mall and get excited when your favorite pair of jeans are jacked up 300% on you. You go to the mall and get excited when those jeans are 50% off of their usual price. So that's what you're seeing here. You're seeing this decline. We have some technical levels coming into play here, folks. There's a major level coming up right around 133 to 135. This is a move down to the pivot low from the COVID low of March 2020, this pivot low from 2018, and this pivot high just before the breakout began and the big run on Meta came in. So to me, as a trader and an investor, that is a very high zone for where I'm going to look at Meta as a trading opportunity. Doesn't guarantee that I'm going to love it when it gets there, but it's a probability trade that signals a good probability that we'll see some significant bounce off of it. Now, take a look at Amazon. We know Amazon's under pressure. It's well off of the highs here. It's come back in. We could see it ran up. It had this big gap up on earnings here. Beautiful gap. And then it's slowly come in as the stock market has sold off. One of the things that I'm noticing here is you filled this gap right here. So it came back into the pre-earnings. Before earnings, it was trading here. Then it had the big run on earnings, the gap up and the go. And then also look at this trend line sloping down. And notice how price came into here. So this is an interesting area for investors who are looking for a technical reason to maybe accumulate Amazon. And listen, let's be fair. If the Fed stays hawkish, if the Fed is not going to pivot and things get very bad in the economy, then most of these stocks will continue down a little bit lower. Thanks again, and this is Traders Talk.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.